Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to do your references formatted in Google Docs. And I will show you this in 3 simple steps. The first step is select references, go here to align and indent, and then click here on center align. That's the first step. The second step is select the references, then go to format, then go to align and indent, and then go to indentation options. Select here hanging and then give it a 0.5 and then do apply. Then there's one thing that we need to do, and that is we need to go to format again. Then we go to align and paragraph spacing, and then we click here on 1.5. And right now we just did exactly where you was searching for. So this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.